the Graduate School of Education and Human Development's step-by-step guide to applying. Step 1. Review application requirements. A bachelor's or master's degree depending on your program, your resume or CV, statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, and transcripts. Additional requirements for international and doctoral students may apply. Applicants who are still completing a bachelor's or master's degree may apply, provided the degree is conferred prior to the start of the program. Step 2. Create an account in the GW portal. Create an account using your email address. Select your start term, school, and program. Step 3. Upload supporting materials. Upload your resume or CV, statement of purpose, and transcripts. Step 4. Request letters of recommendation. Once you save your recommender's contact information, the online application will automatically send an email requesting the recommendation. Step 5. Submit your application. There is no application fee. You may submit before test scores and recommendations are received, but your application will only be considered for admission once it is complete. Step 6. Check your application portal. Log in to see application status and missing materials. Status will be updated as your official test scores and recommendations are received. Decisions will be published in the portal. We accept unofficial transcripts and transcript evaluations during the admissions process. If you enroll, you will be required to submit official copies. Elevate your impact. Apply today at gsehd.gwu.edu.